but I got big dreams to chase. The road is long, I know it's true. Still I believe I'll make it through. They said slow down, they said be small, but I won't listen at all. Dreams in my eyes, fire in my soul. I keep moving forward till I reach my goal. Dreams in my eyes, shining so bright, nothing can stop me. I'm reaching new heights. No. Every step I take today gets me closer on my way. The future's calling out my name, and I'll never be the same. One dream, one life, one chance. Dreams in my eyes, fire in my soul. I keep moving forward till I reach my goal. Dreams in my eyes, shining so bright, nothing can stop me. I'm reaching new heights. Yeah, yeah, dreams are bright. One love. Yeah, yeah. Keep moving. Oh. I don't need to run too fast. Every step is built to last. Little progress every day takes me closer on my way. Brick by brick, day by day, that's how dreams are made. One step at a time, that's my way to climb. I don't quit, I don't hide. One step at a time, till the day I shine. Every small step changes my life. Some get there before I do. Still I'm staying true. I believe my time will come. My journey has begun. Keep the faith, hold the line. One step at a time. One step at a time, that's my way to climb. I don't quit, I don't hide. One step at a time, till the day I shine. Every small step changes but I got something deep inside, a burning fire I can't hide. Every doubt, every tear made me stronger through the years. I'm bigger than my fear, bigger than the pain. Every time I fall, I rise again. I'm bigger than my fear. I can finally see the dream inside my heart was meant for me. People talk, people doubt, still I found another route. The higher that I aim today, the less I care what people say. Stand tall, stay strong, keep moving on. I'm bigger than my fear, bigger than the pain. Every time I fall, I rise again. I'm bigger than my fear. I can finally see the dream inside my heart was meant for me. No. Yeah, yeah. No fear. One love. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, many roads were laid before me. Some looked easy, some looked free, but I followed what I believed and became who I'm meant to be. The path is hard, the climb is slow, still I know where I will go. The road I chose made me strong, through every right, through every wrong. The road I chose, I won't let go. Step by step, I keep moving on. Every lesson, every turn, every bridge I had to burn, brought me closer to the light, waiting on the other side. No regrets, no looking back, I'm staying on my track. The road I chose made me strong, through every right, through every wrong. The road I chose, I won't let go. Step by step, I keep moving on. true love. I can hear it. Whoa. I've been walking through the rain. I've been carrying the pain. Now I see a brighter day. Yeah, waiting just beyond the way. Every dream, every fight led me to this life. My future is calling. I can hear my name. My future is calling. Nothing stays the same. My future is calling, and I'm on my way. The dream I've been chasing gets closer every day. The road was long, the nights were cold, but I never let go. Every step I took in faith, oh, brought me to a better place. Hold on, stay strong. Your time will come. My future is calling. I can hear my name. My future is calling. Nothing stays the same. My future is calling, and I'm on my way. The dream I've been chasing gets close.